In this video, we're going to address how the project management framework for Notion creates pages that you can share with your clients and keep your centrally managed tasks replicated to tables that your clients can see. To start, we'll go to the Companies page, and we'll create a new company using the template. Give it a name, and the template is already loaded, and a couple things to pay attention to. Down at the bottom is an area for client configuration. We see that there's a request for automation currently pending to finish the automation for setting up this page. The automation starts processing, automatically creates a record for synchronizing your central tasks with a table for the client, has renamed the page that you can share with the client, and inside of that page is a copy of the task database that will only be populated for tasks that are specifically related to this client. This configuration setting here determines whether synchronization between your central tasks and the client's task database is either disabled, whether you're going outbound, sending your tasks to the client, inbound, accepting tasks from the client, or bidirectional, in which case they will be synchronized both ways. By default, it's disabled. More details about synchronization will be covered in another video.